Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Tuesday, December 6, 1:51 p.m. New York time. The Dow Jones Industrial Average. We're going to look at the monthly time frame because we just completed the month of November last week. So it's important at the end of the month. I consider it important to look at the monthly time frame of the big financial broad markets, as well as the financial instruments you're investing in long term and you're trading short term. So we'll look at the 30 companies, 30 stocks within the Dow Jones Industrial Average. There are 30 stocks, companies inside this index. This is one of the oldest stock indexes in the United States. It's changed often, meaning that sometimes it had less than 10 stocks and worked their way up to 30, as well as every so often, some of these companies get taken out and new ones get replaced because they don't meet the policy anymore, being a certain value, dollar amount. You know, not a million, not 10 million, but hundreds of billions of dollars in value of these companies. Yeah, they're the 10 largest United States publicly traded companies. I will say that again. These are United States publicly traded companies and the 30 largest. So we're looking here, 5 years, each candle's a month. And the far right candle, well, that's the new one for December. It's not done yet. So the month of November, look at that. We closed green, higher high, higher low from that prior candle. So we're trending up, working our way up, maybe to that high of the year. And if you notice, we did take out the low of last year, but we're back inside the range of last year and inside the range, obviously, of this year. So what we're going to identify is what stocks inside this index are winners and which ones are the losers. You may be owning some of these stocks. You might consider rotate out of them. You might be invested in an index fund that has some of these bad ones, and you might fire that manager of that index. Why keep a bad financial instrument that's not performing equal or better? Yeah. As well, you might see some new ones you might consider going into. But the best thing here is we might see the rotation of where the money's pouring into. Most likely we will. The Dow 30 index is very diversified of different industries. Here is the 30 companies, alphabetical order. And again, the right here is the index, Dow, and the left is the stock. So right now we're just going to open up. And just for remembrance sakes, look, last month the Dow was green, made a higher high of the prior month. You got it? So now let's look at the stocks. First one, Apple. Last month was inside candle. Oof, that's not good. Yeah, indecision candle. Currently, this new candle is indecision candle. Where we had the Dow made a new high last month. Yeah, it's red, it's back inside, but it's been trending up. So Apple is struggling down here. Yeah, it's below 150. Amazon, outstanding. Last month, all-time new high for the year. But the current month is still inside. So the Dow itself is performing better than the stock. As well, each of these companies have different weighted value. So Apple, retail and manufacturer. Amazon, retail Now let's look at financial. American Express. Yeah. American Express, similar to the Dow. Green last month, higher high, higher low, and red. So not surprised the financials taking a smackdown right now. Boeing Airline. Again, same thing. Similar to the Dow, trending up, new high from the last month. So last month was last month was November here. And look at this, huge consolidation here. And then November, big impulse move up, solid body almost. That is extremely bullish, almost all buyers coming in. Very nice. Very nice. So what could you do? Well, if you understand advanced option strategies, you could be doing bull put spreads right below it, below this consolidation area. Maybe ones that are out for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, depending on how you do money management. And that can produce you income. Manufacturer, Caterpillar. Outstanding. Last month, green, new high for the year. Let's remove that yellow horizontal line. And currently candle, inside candle. So it's not as good as the index. But again, it do better. In one perspective, it made a new high. Salesforce, Charlie Romeo Mike, retail, not surprised. I mentioned this many times this past year. Retail has been getting smackdown. So we look at retail last month, red. And this new month already took out the lows. We have a new low for the year. Salesforce. Yeah, let's get rid of this company off the Dow Jones Industrial Average and put something positive. We can actually goose the index up. And that's how they often do it. So maybe this one's going to be losing or get taken off. Time will tell. Go ahead and talk to the CEO. They want to hear you. Cisco. Last month, green, higher high, higher low, but still in this consolidation range. So this was a supply zone of sellers, and again, rejecting it right around that $50 area. No, it's weak. It's still weak. Charlie Victor X-Ray, Chevron, the energy company. New high for the year last month. Let's remove that. Made a dodgy last month on the top of a trend. We know that means indecision, potential reversal, and that's what happened right now. Breakdown. So one could have been trading bearish right now because we have that breakdown right there. Yeah, but use caution. Use caution. Since this is up near the highs, and this is more bullish on the bigger perspective, it'd be much better to be trading bearish what's trending down. Understand? Look at the big trend here, bearish. So again, I would recommend you be trading bearish this one. Bear call spreads up here because the trend is down. Where Chevron, yeah, I wouldn't be considering trade this bearish. No, not until the trend returns on the higher time frame. Disney. Well, last month made a new low for the year. Bad. Inside candle right now. Struggling below 100. Dow Chemical, same thing. Struggling right here. Tight consolidation. And look at that. That big wick. Stop hunt. Tested it last month. Failed to close in it. Yeah. Looks like it's still very bearish. Another big bank, Goldman Sachs. Last month, new high. Almost all solid body. Very nice. Current candle, inside candle is all red. Again, I would consider, again, looking for a bullish trade here. Yep. Because this pullback here alone, look how much pullback it already did. And the month's not even over yet. It's just some short-term fear, I think. I think we're still grinding up because we have massive consolidation here. Let me label that too. That was a massive consolidation area. We broke above it. Nice. Home Depot, retail. Again, not a surprise, smackdown. It's an consolidation range, struggling. Honeywell, Hotel, Oscar, November. Took out that new high. Nope, it didn't. Nope. So we're still below the high of last year. Still below the high of this year. IBM, outstanding. Last month made a new high for the year, taking out the high of last year. Let's remove that. And look at that. Currently, we're struggling right there at 150. Intel, not a surprise, smackdown. So last month we did close green. We're in this tight consolidation down here near the low of the year. Yeah, I wouldn't be bottom fishing here. No. Johnson & Johnson, outstanding, big turnaround. Last month, higher low. This month already higher. It's trending up. Nice. Look like he's gunning for that high. Another financial, JP Morgan, similar to Goldman Sachs. They're selling off currently. Not the best leadership. Coca-Cola, big recovery this year. There's the low for the year right here. And last month, higher low, up strong. Yep, that's good. And a pair that has a lot of sellers in the past. It's very concerning. Very concerning right there. Again, it might go up there and test that, but we want to see it close and break above that. McDonald's. Look at that last month candle. Dodgy, indecision. Yep, not surprised. So if you're bullish this, I would look for a retracement. Potential buy areas. Look, I already labeled midpoint. May not get down there. But again, you can take this to a faster time frame below it down to the weekly. 3M. Yeah, struggling. They're the low of the year. Looking bad here. Look at that last month, that red candle dodgy on the top reversal. That's bad. Merck, Mike Romeo Kilo. Outstanding. This month alone. So last month we made a new high for the year, and this month, December, already new high. Strong like bull. Very nice. Microsoft also struggling down here. It's in this consolidation phase. As much technology has been this year. Retail, Nike. November Kilo Echo. Again, retail struggling. Bad shape, but it did reverse off the lows. Procter & Gamble. Nice, huge body last month. Look at that, November month, higher low. And we already made a new high this month. Nice, that's good. Tango Romeo Victor, Travelers, another financial company. New high last month, and already this month, new high. So we saw a lot of the financials I've been showing you here are inside candles. Not this one. Nope, new high for the year. Outstanding, strong like bull. United Health, huge consolidation. Last month, really, November, inside candle. And this month of December, inside candle. So big consolidation. This has been a demand zone buyers, that area. Visa, another financial. Look at that, same thing. Sell off already. And massive consolidation, not much of interest. Look at my videos on financial stocks. I showed you a whole bunch of them were credit card companies. They were struggling. Telecommunications, Verizon. Last month, inside candle, and we already took out the low. Bad shape. Really bad deal. Whiskey, Bravo, Alpha, Walgreens. Massive consolidation here. Still struggling. Whiskey, Mike, Tango, Walmart. Last month, new high. Nice. Last month made a higher low than before, and currently inside candle. There's a high for the year. So right off the bat, takeaway is majority of them are not at new highs. Majority of them are looking similar to the Dow, but I already pointed out which ones were the leadership. Yeah, we had some very nice ones, which was also interesting. Technology, we had IBM doing the new highs here last month. IBM, and then when you compare that to Microsoft, close to the lows of the year, big difference in certain technology companies. First, here we go, Cisco too. Yeah. So we definitely know to avoid the retail, but again, look at here, these manufacturers. Some of them are doing outstanding. Many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.